they're passing me now, over.
Good deeds in a wicked world. That's us, Tommy, isn't it?
Oh, why not? Here's General Naganda, deposed by a coup d'etat. He's got floods in his country and a typhoid epidemic. He donates his art collection to raise relief funds and somebody hijacks it.
Sure, what more do we need?
Well, that takes care of our motive.
What's that mean?
It's been unusually law-abiding on the Riviera of late. The quiet life's a bore. That is our reason.
Okay, what do you want? An admission we're just in it for kicks?
Well, that fits us better than a halo.
And if the flood victims benefit, it's a bonus.
What do we got?
Well, precious little at the moment.
compensations of office, General.
That's what my enemies at home say, only not so polite. It's true, when that bunch of opportunist thugs pulled their coup and threw me out in the name of democracy, I wasn't a pauper. But I trade all this to get my art collection back. And not for me, for the people who lost their homes in the flood, who are sick and dying from typhoid, because I still care about them. End of speech, Mr. Halliday.
You covered by insurance?
For $200,000.
Ask him to come in.
Monsieur Ferrand, about the figures on my policy,
I must have been mad when I agreed to help. Look what you have stirred up. The police have already been here.
Naturally, it's routine. But you are quite safe. You were here at the office at the time. So I promise you, keep your nerve, Jules. Thank you for the quote. I will think it over and let you know.
Possible?
Monique,
How are you?
but you look absolutely enchanting. Nothing has changed.
Well, it's been 7 years. Do you remember
Nobody would
Tommy?
Monsieur Devon, you still have your jewelry shop?
Still there, Colonel.
Oh, no longer, Colonel. I have retired. It became unfashionable.
And this is Stephen Halliday, Jacques Picard.
Monsieur Halliday.
Stephen is from New York and Jacques is from, well, from everywhere. Hmm?
On ne pas chérie.
Mercenary, is he?
Well, he used to say he fought for causes, not for money. Women found that romantic.
Manouche. Well, that's none of our business. Let's go lean on Ferrand.
Yes?
Ferrand? And again, the robbery's gonna cost you 100,000 francs or we go to the police.
Who is this? Who is speaking?
Never mind. Well, let's check the garage and I'll go around the rest of the house.
knew I had missed you. But until now, I did not realize how much.
Jacques, where did you go after Leopardsville and Zambia?
Unimportant places.
Weren't you in Bawela, General Naganda's country?
Ex-country. Yes, briefly.
What he like?
The general? Unlucky. First he loses his country and then his art collection.
Oh, I think it's despicable.
What, robbery?
It's just like picking an old lady's pocket.
I'm not sure the general would like to be called an old lady.
No, but it's the flood victims that suffer. Doesn't that bother you at all?
Of course. Oh, but don't let's spoil a lovely afternoon. It is a police matter. It is no concern of ours.
What's eating you, Steve?
Listen, forget about Naganda's hotel. Let's go to Manusha's place, okay?
I can't believe it.
It's true. Where is she now?
She's out with Picard.
No. Yeah, and wait for it. Better call the police.
Well, not until we told Manouche.
What do you want to do? Give him a chance to get away?
Call the police.
Ah, no, not yet.
What is it?
Jacques Picard.
That's impossible. Where did you find this?
In the house.
Is this the only proof?
So far, till they fingerprint the place.
It's got to be a mistake.
No, there isn't. No.
I stole the collection. And I will tell you why. To stop it being auctioned at the gala. Because the $1 million they will raise is not going to be used for flood victims. It is not for food or drugs. It's to pay an army of trained mercenaries. Laganda already has guns and ammunition. The men are recruited. When he pays them, they will fly in. His chief minister, Jambodi, he tried to recruit me. They are going to use this emergency to overthrow the democratic government. Laganda will crash it.
Can you prove any of this?
No more than I can prove that he is power crazy. But remember, Manouche, I was there. I knew him. When he started, yes, he was benevolent, a good man. But it's the old story. Power corrupted him. So they threw him out.
Well, it's quite a story.
Why didn't you take it to the newspapers?
Because like you, Monsieur Devon, they wouldn't believe me.
Thanks some swallowing that you hijacked the Naganda collection for the public good.
Well, it was not for my benefit. Manouche knows I am not a thief.
You can't prove it.
Well, give him a chance.
There is a man called Jules Ferrand. I did not want to involve him because it could ruin him. He gave me the schedule of the security van. Unlike your friends,
Look, we're not going to find anything. Maybe you should stay here.
Well, if we're not going to find anything, there's no danger, is there?
All right, go on.
All right, where's your army?
I will take a look.
We'll go with you.
Somebody must be playing a joke on you. Hey, Francois, have you seen any men with guns around here?
I have also been told that you have a large wooden shed with bullet holes in it. I would like to see it.
Oh? What wooden shed? Well, as you can see, Inspector, there is no wooden shed, with or without bullet holes.
Ah, they must have spotted us.
I doubt it. This has been the pattern since I first started to look for proof. The Gander can't risk leaving the mercenaries in one place for any length of time.
Well, 50 men, they expect 300 more. Where are they, huh?
Oh, other guests in small hotels up and down the coast with papers to prove that they're genuine tourists.
You said he'd already bought the arms. They must be stored somewhere.
You need the entire police force to cover the warehouses between here and Marseille.
Well, after today, we're not going to have any police force. George is furious.
The gambler must be laughing his head off. Mercenaries wouldn't fight without being paid. Now they're going to be paid.
Unless we do what you intended.
Well, steal the collection? Ah, we haven't got a chance.
No. The money they get when they sell it at the charity auction. The place will be guarded like Fort Knox, but the checks and the money have to be taken to the bank after the auction. That means a bank messenger. We also have to distract the guards for about 30 seconds.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our auctioneer would like your attention. He has promised to do his best to lighten your wallets and your bank accounts in the best of all possible causes. May I thank you for your attendance and generosity for a worthy cause.
And you can fool.
Large dot in relief above and between the arms. Shall we start at $5,000?
Special detail, Marseille division.
$15,000, Espadère. 17? Will you bid 20? Very good. 20? 21? 5?
You sure there isn't some other reason?
What?
I wish I knew. But that's 2 bits of strange behavior by my mother in 2 days.
2?
First giving me misinformation about mercenaries, and then attending an auction where you can't possibly buy what's being offered.
Yes, that mercenary business, that was bad. That was my mistake.
You almost never make a mistake.
Flattery from my own son.
And what's a sudden interest in African art?
Oh, I thought I might enjoy it.
Mother, there is a very old quotation. Everything that I enjoy is either illegal, immoral, or fattening. I'm not concerned with your weight or your morality.
Now, what could be more legal than attending a public auction?
Nothing.
Mr. Halliday?
Would you come with me, please?
Ah, Mr. Halliday, you are going to slip away with your customary modesty. This is for you. Not part of the collection, a token in gratitude. After all, nearly $1.5 million, and you made it all possible.
Those two other men are figureheads on the committee, a banker and a businessman to lend respectability. But Naganda and Jampoti signed the checks. Tomorrow they will make a big cash withdrawal.
Won't the bank be suspicious?
Why? Naganda is the man of the moment. He can also claim that a cash payment will speed up operations. Oh, I guess he will send some medical supplies as cover.
Sarah, we got one more chance, hmm? That depends on Steve.
General, he insisted on seeing you.
Ah, Mr. Halliday. We're always glad to see our friends.
Maybe not this time, General. The news isn't so good, and it's probably just a rumor, but I thought...
Leopard to Tiger, heading west. Take over. It's yours now. I'll follow you.
should have been loaded up by now.
What's the panic?
No panic, just precaution. You want to blow us all to pieces?
Police department, please.
In another 7 years, Manouche.
I'll be looking out for you.
All set? Thanks to all of you, I shall be kept very busy down there at Buwela.
Oh, you thank the general for that.
Yeah, the charity auction really did some good for his country, after all. More planes, more relief supplies.
And all Naganda can do is smile and pretend he likes it.
Jacques, you'll miss your plane.
Well, thanks, all of you. The only thing that I'm sorry is that after all you have done, you have got nothing out of it.
Leah. Well, he's wrong about one thing. Not exactly nothing out of it. You know that statuette the general gave us? Sold it this morning for $30,000.
What?
Right.
Which only goes to prove you gotta win some of the time.